Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related. I got you covered. Today's video is another brand, I guess an indie brand, I saw on Instagram that caught my attention. The pictures were really beautiful, the aesthetic was really beautiful, and just called my attention, and I was all over it. It's a brand called Radiene. And if you're on Instagram, I'm sure you have seen it. This came up, like I was going through stories and this like beautiful packaging came up and I was like, ooh, these are so pretty. And I was like, what is that? It's a blush and a highlighter. Now this brand has a ton of other stuff. Well, not a ton. They're like a very minimalistic brand. I know they have a foundation, they have a concealer, more blushes, one highlighter, and that's what sold me. When I saw the highlighter, I was like, I need this right away. They have some eyeshadows, some skincare. I was more drawn into blush and highlighter because I'm a blush highlighter kind of person. So this is the packaging. It's like in a roller ball kind of situation. Super pretty. When I signed up, I think I got 10% off or 15% off. I don't remember. Sign up to the to their website and they'll send you a discount code. That's what I did. That's what I always do because I gotta save money if I'm gonna buy stuff, right? This is the blush. Now they have, I think 5 shades of blush. I went with, they had just recently launched, well I don't know when they launched it, but they launched 2 new shades and it was like a warm kind of bronzy tone. That's what I went with. So I have a blush and a bronzer. So first, the blush is what caught my attention. These do retail for $32 each. It comes in a beautiful like aluminum tube. Like I said, a rollerball kind of applicator. It kind of reminds me of like a perfume, like those perfumes that I can't think of it, like a travel perfume. So I'm gonna just take it, I'll swatch it for you. That's the color. So pretty. It's like a nice bronzy nude and this blends so beautifully. So beautifully. This shade is called Lamy. L''A''M'. I think it's French. I don't know. I'm not sure. I have it on. Really pretty. Oh, it's that like beautiful glow. That's the highlighter. So that's Lamy highlighter, which totally got me. And it comes in like a silver chromey container. So this, oh, I forgot to mention, you have to shake these before you use them. However, don't aggressively shake it too much. And then when you use it, as long as it's not like overfilling, you can kind of, I use it like I swatch it. You're going to see I swatch it and then I put it on my hand. But I shook it very aggressively and it started to come out too much. So don't do that. Don't do like I did. And then the highlighter. Now, I'm having a little bit of, I'm confused about how to use this one because I shook it like I did the blush and I go like this. But, oh no, now it's working. Okay, so when I do that and you just swipe it, it comes out really nice. I think I just wasn't shaking it enough yet. So that's the swatch. You could, if you wanted to, take it to the top of your cheek. I don't like doing that. I kind of just like to go like this. And you'll see that in the demo. But look how stunning that is. And it's one of those highlighters that like if you see me like this, like you kind of see it, but the second I turn, it's like boom. I may have gone overboard because I had filmed a short and a reel and I added more. So I would never put this much on. It's a little too much unless I was going out at night or something. You can tone it down, like more like this side. This side is a little more doable. Again, I went overboard, but you'll see in the initial application what it's supposed to look like. So let's cut into application. So like I said, with this product, you do have to shake it. And like I said, as you see me aggressively shaking it, don't do that. Don't do that, and don't leave it in your purse because I had it in my purse the other day and with all the moving around, I think I may have overshook it too. So I'm going to put the highlighter on first, and I'm putting it lightly. I find that kind of taking it off the rollerball thing with my finger and then applying it gives me a more natural look. I don't like using these products directly to the face. Cross-contamination, I don't know. And kind of applying it gives me a nice, like, natural dewy glow, but you can always layer it up too. Now with the blush, I opened it and I was like, what the heck? And you may, I don't know if I'm going to cut this part out, but I was like, what? So I'm going to use whatever's on the back of my hand. This formula is so beautiful. Like, you can take it, you tap it on, and it just like melts onto the skin and blends out really nice. And is just the easiest thing in the world to use. You can blend with your fingers, you can blend with a brush, whatever you're more comfortable with. I prefer using my fingers, and I just blend it out, and it just looks so beautiful. I'm in love with this formula. I definitely want to try a couple of more shades. It's just so pretty. It's really pretty. And they have like peachy shades, they have like terracotta shades. There's just so many options to pick from. I cannot believe how ridiculously blinding this highlight is right now. I need to tone that down because we have basketball practice with some 6th graders, and they're gonna be distracted by my cheeks. Yeah, I think if you just kind of keep blending it, it does soften, but I may have to take like a brush and it down. But it's really pretty. It doesn't feel like anything on the skin either. It's definitely like, it reminds me of like a water blush. I mean, essentially it's a liquid blush, so it's a water blush. Really pretty. Super pretty. It wears like second skin, and I don't have much foundation on either. It just lays nice. So I think this formula is going to be good for if you want to wear it on bare skin, if you want to wear it on like foundation. I think it's going to sit really, really pretty on, ooh, what is going on there? On bare skin, makeup skin. Powder, you may want to just like how you see me apply and just kind of like tap it on top, but it's a beautiful formula. I'm just impressed with it. It's really pretty. It definitely makes me want to pick up a few more products, which I think I will be doing. I was interested in their concealer and their foundation, more shades of blush because I'm a blush freak. So I don't know. Those might be reviews in the future. Have you guys come across Radiene on your Instagram feed, or are you even on Instagram? Are you more on YouTube? Let me know, because then I'll just keep bringing you brands that you haven't heard of. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I hope everybody's feeling good, and I will see you in my next one.